Another home listed by Carolina Hurtado. Long and Foster Real Estate, stylish and beautiful end-unit townhome in Fairfax. This 3-sides brick home boasts beautiful upgrades and renovations and a large lot with side-to-side trex deck for outdoor comfort. This great home has shiny hardwood floors on main and upper levels and engineered wood floors on lower level. This home welcomes you with all its charm, great design, dedicated upscale office space, crown moldings, wainscoting, tray ceilings and much more. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances to include a new 5-gas burner and built-in microwave. The family room of the kitchen comes equipped with a gas fireplace, beautifully built-ins and much more. HVAC, carrier high efficiency, and roof 5.5 years old. Water heater 2020. Second floor has 3 fine bedrooms. Master bedroom with high vaulted ceiling, large walk-in closet and spacious master bath with its own separate jacuzzi tub and shower. Laundry room with designer cabinetry. Fantastic lower level with bedroom, full bath, recreation room and fireplace.